क्योंकि ये सामान्य जनता की एसटी है और उनके लिए वो सामान्य लोगों के लिए रखी है, ये हाईफाई लोगों गरीब लोगों के लिए रखी है। एसटी से भी वो ट्रैवल नहीं कर पाएंगे अगर आपने ये जो भाड़ेवार की तो।
4 months prior they were saying it is in profit, and 4 months post the election they are saying it's in loss. This means that they were intending just to win the election and giving false commitment to the public.
Lalpari or the ST bus has become a lifeline of Maharashtra's transportation. But travelling from Lalpari has now become expensive as the MSRTC or the ST corporation has increased the bus fare hike by 14.95%. The ST corporation states that this hike was necessary because of improving the services and other facilities. As the ST corporation faced 3 crore losses every day, Transport Minister Pratap Sarnaik has justified this hike. But the Shiv Sena UBT faction is not satisfied and they are protesting. Chakka Jam Andolan is happening. Today we are here at the Khopat bus depot and the Shiv Sainiks, as you can see, they are protesting. Sir, what do you have to say why these protests are happening today?
If you see that the current government, they have been fooling around the people for past 3 years. Just for the sake of winning the elections, they have been giving the false commitment. They started with starting out with Navin Yojana called as the Ladki Bahin Yojana. They made a provision of 46,000 crores as they say. But now if you see the today's financial condition of the state government, they have been got screwed. They don't have funds enough which can prevail any of the different programs what they are planning to launch for the people. If you see the ST department, if they are saying that for past 4 months back before the election, they were saying that it is running in profits, and today they are saying that it is running in loss.
3 crore losses are happening every day.
So if that was the thing, then they should have understood or evaluated the whole process or the accounts well in advance. Just imagine the situation whereby 4 months prior they were saying it is in profit, and 4 months post the election they are saying it's in loss. This means that they were intending just to win the election and giving false commitment to the public. If you see the position of a bus, what they are saying about, it's pathetic. If you see
they are saying
from here, from the city to their villages or to any of their work, you can see what worst conditions the people are experiencing day in, day out. I believe that this is a very foolish about the state government, fooling around the people and just making money out of it, or saying that they are going to loot the common people and trying to send out an indication they want to help the people, but actually they are seeing to it that the finances are in loss, the people are losing out the money.
Sir, but they are saying that for improvement only they are increasing the fares.
So if that was the case, they should have experienced or evaluated the accounts well in advance. You see, there are few questions. The bus conditions are worse. The second thing is, are they going or planning to take this to a private contractor, like how the DMT in Thane they have done? You see the conditions of this every bus depot. It is pathetic. You can see that they are not in the position to pay out the salaries of the employees there. You can see the bus conditions, how it has been. The seats are not in the right place. The people are not experiencing a good feel-good factor while traveling. So what do you expect from the people?
Sir, now what's the future course of this Chakka Jam Andolan?
See, not only about the bus thing, but each and everything whereby the people have been fooled. Shiva Sena Uddhav Balasaheb Thackeray will come out aggressively and send out a message to the public that you have been actually been fooled just for the sake of the elections and to win the elections.
Today's protest is all about the fare. They have increased not only in bus but also in day-to-day daily life, like cylinders and auto fares and XYZ, all the fares. Also the food, groceries and all that stuff. One side they are bringing the yojanas like Ladki Bahin yojanas, and they are giving 1,500 rupees to each Ladki Bahin. But on the other hand, they are increasing the price of day-to-day groceries and all that stuff. But like, how can we manage? Like if you calculate 1,500, and if you see the price they have increased, it's totally like opposite. It's more than 1,500. on one hand they are giving you 1,500 and on the other hand contrary they are taking us 2,000 2,500, then how can the ratio be equal?
But Transport Minister has stated that it was inevitable.
Sorry.
Hike was necessary because ST Corporation was facing losses.
Okay, if you see before elections they were like STs and all this public transport are already in a profitable way, but now after election directly they are saying that we are going in loss. What makes the sense? Is there any logic behind it?
मैम आप क्या कहना चाहोगे? ST Corporation already lost है, इसके लिए recover करने के डिसीजन।
देखिए, इलेक्शन के पहले तो एसटी कॉर्पोरेशन लॉस में ऐसे कुछ भी बातें आई नहीं थी। जैसे इनकी सत्ता आ गई ये लोग बोल रहे हैं अभी कॉर्पोरेशन लॉस में है। अगर आपको फेयर बढ़ाना है तो आप जाके आपका हेलीकॉप्टर का और एयर फेयर बढ़ाइए, जहाँ पे हाईफाई बिजनेसमैन और करोड़पति लोग जो ट्रैवल करते हैं। एसटी में आपको भी पता होगा बहुत गरीब सामान्य लोग ट्रैवल करते हैं और उनके लिए बहुत बड़ा भार होगा। आप 1500 एक जगह दे रहे हो और ऊपर से 15,000 उनसे वापस ले रहे हो, तो ये बहुत जाती हो रही है। और हम रिक्वेस्ट करते हैं गवर्नमेंट से कि तुरंत आप पीछे लीजिए जो भी कोई फेयर आप बढ़ा रहे हो, क्योंकि ये सामान्य जनता की एसटी है और उनके लिए वो सामान्य लोगों के लिए रखिए, ये हाईफाई लोगों गरीब लोगों के लिए रखिए। एसटी से भी वो ट्रैवल नहीं कर पाएंगे अगर आपने ये जो भाड़ेवार की तो आप उनका जरा जरूर सोचिए, विचार कीजिए।
इलेक्शन के बाद ये सत्ता में आने के बाद इनका जो चल रहा है ये जब भी सामान्य लोग के ऊपर अन्याय हो जाएगा तभी हम लोग इसके ऊपर आवाज उठाएंगे और ये आंदोलन छेड़ेंगे।